We are here today to discuss what I have been dishonest about. It's kind of dramatic. Okay, no, just go. Okay, on to the big thing. So, these are not mini twists. These are, in fact, my starter locks. Yep, your girl is locking her hair, and this is the beginning of my lock journey. Bye bye, loose natural. Hello, locked queen. I've been wanting to lock my hair for about a year. I was gonna do it last year, but nobody supported the idea. And I'm like, they don't support it, so I'm not gonna do it. And you know, my husband, he was like, why don't you just take some time to think about it, see if that's what you really want to do. So I gave myself an entire year, and I still want to do it. So here we are. And in fact, he said the same thing this year, and this time I was just like, okay, and proceeded to twist my hair. And here we are. Now, when I started, I knew I wanted at least 150 to 200 locks. I don't think I met that requirement. I think I'm probably at like 100 locks or something like that. So I'm way under my goal number of locks. But so far, I'm okay. I did think about going through and splitting them all like in half, or at least most of the ones in the back, because those ones are really big to me. And I tried to do diamond parting. I watched a few videos, so I tried to do like diamond shaped parting. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I tried to do diamond shaped parting. I did not want a middle part. I don't care about a middle part. My middle part can be zigzag for all I care. I did not care about a middle part. So yeah, those were the criteria for my locks, which I didn't even meet the lock count. And I'm not sure exactly how many twists I have, so I don't have an official lock count. Maybe I'll do a video some other time where we count these things together. So yeah, these are my starter locks. And I am so happy. I need to wash it already, because I washed my hair and then like 3 days later is when I actually twisted my hair, and my scalp has been going through some funky little thing where it would dry and flake immediately. So I'm gonna wash it today. Actually, after this one, I'm gonna film me washing my starter locks. Okay, so the actual twisting, I twisted and then I interlocked like down here. So I twisted first and then I interlocked. Let me get my tools. Using this lock tool that I got from Amazon. If you go on Amazon and put interlocking tool, you get like dozens of options. But if you want, I will leave the link to my specific, the one that I got. It came with this little pouch, which is good. I keep it in there. And yeah, that's how I did it. And these two in the front, I actually went through and split 3 of them. This, and these. So this was one, this was one, and this was one. But I went through and split them because I felt like they were too big. And if you see the parting, like, imagine those combined. So they were too big. So I split those 3. And I cut these 2. I cut these 2 because they were longer, but it was like super thin at the end. because this is where I had the postpartum shedding after I had my son, so it was like slick ball, and this is like 2 years worth of growth. And after here was like a little piece of regular hair from back here that didn't fall out, so it was like super thin on the end. So I just went through and cut that. I'll insert a picture of what I'm saying, you know, just so it makes sense. But yeah, I got these 2 little baby ones in the front. So yeah, but here we are, and this is what it's looking like back here. Yeah, I hope you will stick with me. If not, that's your choice. I understand, but thanks for watching my video. If you like it, you can subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.